get to the point. On my left, I have the Zoom open. Let's just assume we are in the Zoom meeting, and the topic is a kind of boring. You wanted to slip away like right here, but you are in the MacBook or MacBook Pro or Air, whatever. The the shame about these MacBooks, Mac OS system, they don't have the built-in audio separator like Windows DeX. Windows have our so-called what did they call it? Volume mixer, where you can adjust your volume based on the application. But what a shame! What a shame! There's Mac OS doesn't have this ability or function to separately lower down the volume or mute the volume. Doesn't have it. So I managed to get one for myself. So here is it. I have downloaded these background music right here. This is application folder. You just download it and install it. After you install, you will have this icon here. So now right here Jefferson, you are not hearing anything. Me too, yeah. So why this thing happening is right here, because
and being confident in that rather than
has
spreading
these,
yourself thin. Number two, we
individual
talked about not having
volume
overly action,
slider.
where you're showing
So
everybody
by
your button,
listening,
and every time you react,
you
you're
know,
making yourself
it's
what?
Jefferson talking,
Predictable.
and then I just all the way down the volumes. So and then I go back to the let's just say Zoom. So I from time to time I want to check out. So I can stay here. What if I don't want to hear anymore? All I need to do is just lower down the volume all the way down. Yeah, that's about it. First I thought this Mac OS being the great machine that it is. I thought it should have this ability or this function to separate out the volume, but unfortunately as far as I'm concerned, it doesn't have. So the only thing we can have is we just need to install these background musics, and then you have it. Then you can have a separate channel for the Macs, I mean for the Zoom, and then you could have this
Year after year, they're more innovative than all
right
their
now.
competition,
It is Simon.
and yet they're just a computer company.
Yeah,
They're just like
Simon
everyone else. They have the same access
At
to the same
time,
talent, the same agencies, the same consultants, the same
do
media.
stuff
Then
on
why
the,
is it that they seem to have something different?
All you need to do is
Why is it that Martin Luther
lower
King
down the
let
these and then bring out to the Zoom. That's it. Yeah, that's about it. That is a very very useful. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah, by the way, you're welcome.